name is Shiva Miska. I am studying 5th class. My story reading Rupa the Elephant. Rupa the Elephant. Chinchi the little brown bird allow the animals in the zoo. Her best friend was Rupa the elephant who given rides to the children on Sunday mornings. Sometimes Chinchi sat on Rupa's and rode along with the children to visit the animals. But today, what did Chinchi see? Rupa the elephant was singing and sobbing. She stood in a corner while Charles rolled down his cheeks into the grass. Why, Rupa,